Hey guys, today I have two beauty boxes and I thought I would unbox them with you. So let us begin with the Go box. So this is how the Go box looks like and I haven't picked at all, so I don't know what is inside. So when you open it up, inside it comes with this Go magazine and it says Lookfantastic Beauty. So it gives you information about the products once again, and it also comes with an L magazine. So this is how the magazine looks like, and there's Jennifer Lawrence on the back cover. This beauty box comes with black tissue paper, so let us break into it. This box comes with 6 products, and from the looks of it, there's a good mix of hair, skincare, and also makeup products. So the first brand that I'm most interested in is the First Aid Beauty, and this is the face cleanser. It removes surface oils, makeup, dirt and grime, and it is safe for sensitive skin. This is a pretty generous size and I would definitely bring this for traveling. It's 28.3 grams and I've always wanted to try First Aid Beauty. Doesn't smell like much, which is good because it's for sensitive skin, so there is no weird scent to it. So moving on, there is another brand which I've already gotten in another box before, which is Filorga, but this is the UV Bronze Nutri Soothing Tan Booster Gel. And it is a pretty generous size, 50 ml. You can cover your whole body with it. Next up, this is a really good size. This is 80 ml and it is from Keratase. It's the Shampooing Multi Protector, color treated or highlighted hair, which is what I have. This is a multi-protecting shampoo and this is definitely a good size for you to try out and see if you really like it or not. I want to smell the shampoo. Ooh. Oh, it smells really good. Next thing in the box is another brand that I've heard of before. This is SVR, I think so. And this is, I have something from this brand for the feet, but this one is for the face. It's the Purifying and Exfoliating Soap-Free Cleanser. And when I hold it up against the light, it looks like there isn't much inside, but this is 10 ml and it's also good for oily and sensitive skin, face and body. There's a small little thing inside here before we go on to the makeup, and this is the Omega Hydrating Oil. This is 15 ml and oh, it's so cute. It's such a cute little bottle. An oil for your face, and the first main ingredient is grapeseed oil, so I'm hoping this will be good for my face. It says that it's a lightweight balancing oil for all skin types and it promotes a healthier looking and softer complexion. And the last thing in the box is what I'm most excited about because it is a makeup product, and this is from Doucce, and I got some highlighters from them before. Oh no, eyeshadow. And this one is the frematic highlighter. This is in the shade Sparked Ray and it's good that it is bubble wrapped inside. So let us see if mine survived the airplane flight over. It's all fine. So you just slide it open. This is the packaging that they have and you can snap it into a palette. I really want to get a palette and snap this in and my eyeshadow. I don't know why I'm smelling this. So from the looks of it, you can tell it is a champagne highlight, which is good because this will go well with a lot of people's skin tone. So it's a very safe color to get. So from swatching it, I can see that there isn't a lot of fallout, which is good. So let us do a better swatch over here. It definitely will go well with my skin tone, and I'm surprised with the size of this. Let me see how many grams. 6.8 grams each. This is pretty generous. Lookfantastic's beauty boxes always comes with a little message, and this message is Komor EB, sunlight filtering through the trees, the interplay between light and leaves. Not bad. So any thoughts on this box this month? My favorite is definitely the makeup product, and this is a really good size. But it's a brand that isn't new to me because I've already have their eyeshadows. I'm really excited for this because this is from First Aid Beauty and I've been wanting to try out this brand. But this is a cleanser, and then another product inside the box is also another cleanser. And I really like this because this is a very generous size shampoo and I can always use and go through all those quickly. Filorga is a really expensive brand and I have a skincare. I think it's a meso mask from them, which I've yet to use but really excited to. Let's move on to the second box. This one is a blue cover, reminds me of the sea, and I know I had a blue cover LF beauty box before, and this one says Kalon, beauty that is more than skin deep. Okay, and then same comes with the magazine, and I will flip through all these magazines later on because they always have tips like how you can use them better. And also an L magazine. I don't read the magazines, but I always repurpose them and recycle them. And let us look at this. This is a mint color, very pretty, and let us break into this. One, two, three, four, five, six. This is a cap, but I thought it was another product. So there's 6 products in this box too. The first thing I see over here, which is a makeup product, at first I thought it was a mascara, but this is from the brand BBBLondon. Oh, BBBLondon. And this is really tiny, 2 ml, but it is a brow build gel. It smells okay, and it's a brown shade, which is very flattering. Oh, Indian chocolate. And it's really cute and small, and it looks like hairy, like fiber-like. So let us swatch it. You can definitely blend out the color, but I don't see hairs, but it looks like there's hairs here, so I definitely want to try it on my brows. If it's like those fake eyebrows hair, even better, so that your eyebrows can look more real. Next up, I really want to look at this because this is such a generous size, and it is so cute. It's a pink color liquid inside. It says Molton Brown London. So many London things. Made in England. And this is a pink pepperpod body wash. It is plastic, but the packaging is really pretty. Let's see how many ml is this. 100 ml. Definitely can travel. Definitely enough to last my boyfriend and me. Oh, it smells like a guy. I was thinking grapefruit because it's like the grapefruit color. But it smells like a guy. Okay. It is pink pepper with ginger and patchouli. Cleanse and invigorate your skin with a kick. Yeah, when you smell it, there's really with a kick. It looks girly, but I wouldn't say the scent is girly. But that's fine because my boyfriend would be okay with this kind of scent. Actually, I think he might actually like that. So another thing over here that looks big, and let me find a cap. This is the Mio Fit Skin for Life Boob Tube. Multi-action bust cream. Moisturize, brighten, protect. Does it make it bigger? Okay, it's 30 ml and it says within a short time, the skin on your neck, chest and bust, oh, you can use on your neck also, can look more toned, healthy and smoother. So it doesn't enhance it, but it's just the texture. It's a body care item, and it's good that it's for the boobs because instead of getting more body lotions and body moisturizers, which I feel like I have a lot of. Let's look at this another big thing over here. This is a cleanser. It's from Balanceme Natural Skincare. Ooh, natural. Ooh. Sulfate-free cleanser designed to purify, refresh, and gently balance. Doesn't strip away the skin's natural protective barriers. Enhances radiance and tone. Not bad. Sounds very gentle and natural. Free from parabens and tons of stuff. Free from microbeads, artificial fragrances. I like that it says 99% natural, and also this brand is against animal testing, which is good because it's just helping us be a more conscious consumer. I just saw another makeup item, and this looks like a lipstick item. It's from the brand Inc.redible Glazing Over Intense Color Lip Glaze Gloss. 3.4 ml. It's in the shade Double Shot Day. So cute. Okay, let us swatch it. It looks like a nude, brown, bronzy. These are the 3 colors I feel like I can see from it. It looks very milky too. So reminds me of the shade of the brow gel. So let us swatch it here. Ooh, wow. Okay, it doesn't have a scent, which is good. So at first when it comes out, it looks moussey, but then it kind of just blends in very well. So I'm thinking that this should be a very lightweight kind of lip gloss. Doesn't look like a lip gloss, look like a liquid lipstick. I mean, there is definitely a glossy shine to it though. I'm definitely excited to get this because you can see the color here, which is good packaging, and although it is a gloss, it looks like a really pigmented gloss, and it looks warm enough on the swatch. So hopefully on the lips it won't look like a dead person kind of lips. So I like this. Last thing in the box, tiny, but I realized that it is from Erno laszlo, and I always see this brand on Sephora and it is ridiculously crazy. So I'm really excited to get something from this. Something from this brand. Hopefully it's something for your face. It says firm skin at your fingertips. It looks small, 15 ml. A watery gel-like essence that tones, hydrates and energizes, leaving the skin appearing more youthful and fresh. Honestly, I think I don't even care what this is because I just get to try out the brand, which I've been wanting to try out. A little bit unexpected because it's like a cheap plastic. So I thought it would be a better packaging because this brand is ridiculously expensive. But yeah, I will use this and I'll finish up the whole tub. Okay, let us review this box. Definitely favorite is this because it is a makeup product and it is a lip product, so I really like it. And the color isn't like some weird funky purple or something like that. And simply because this is a makeup product, I do like this. It's a brow build gel and I've only tried out one brand of brow gel before and it was okay. So this is definitely something that I'm keen to try out. And also there's another cleanser, but I think it's just simply because I'm unboxing them at the same time, which is fine because I haven't been buying cleansers, so I do need more cleansers in tubes instead of bar soaps. And I really like this. Honestly, I think I won't even bring this for traveling. It's 100 ml, but I feel like it can really last a long while, so I might just break into this once I'm done with my body wash. Erno laszlo because it's a brand I wanted to try, and this is good because it isn't like a body moisturizer, which I feel like I have a lot of. So that's all for my Lookfantastic unboxing, and I love Lookfantastic subscription boxes, beauty boxes, because they have makeup, skincare, body care, hair care, a good mix. Some of them are really expensive brands that I would never have had the chance to try them out, and I can tell you that in the past at least 4 or 5 boxes, in each box there is at least one brand that I've heard of that I really wanted to try something, whatever thing from that brand. So I'm really glad that out of like 12 products, 2 brands I've heard of and I really want to try, and there's at least like 5 or 6 that I've never heard of before. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!